Are you stuck seeing the same videos over and over again on TikTok? In this video, I'll show you how to reset your TikTok For You page and train the algorithm to start showing you fresh content again. Let's start by opening the TikTok app on our phone and then go to your profile page. Our job now is to open the TikTok settings page, so just click the three horizontal lines which will open this side menu. After that, tap on Settings and Privacy. Your settings page will look something like this, and we're looking for this Content Preferences button, which should be the first one from the top. Now we're going to tap on this Refresh Your For You feed, which will then ask you to confirm the reset. Go ahead and tap Refresh. TikTok will now clear the data it has been using to recommend videos on your For You page. This does not delete your account, your followers, or your posted videos. It only resets what TikTok thinks you like. Those are the steps of resetting your For You page on TikTok. If this video helped you, make sure you leave a like on it, and I will see you in the next one.